You might want to set up a subscribe button on your Instagram account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix subscribe button not working on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's head on straight to our Instagram app. And first off, before showing you the steps, take note that this feature is not available in all regions, but the first step you can do is to switch your account into a business account. So to do that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings. Click on account. Scroll down to the very bottom and click on switch to professional account. And just click on continue. Select a category that is appropriate to your account. And click on business right there. Click on next. Just click on and set up all the info that is related to your page. Now, once you have switched your account into a professional account or a business account, this professional dashboard should show, and you can tap on that and you should be able to see an option to set up subscriptions. Now, if you don't see that, the most probable thing is that it is still not available on your region. So to check on that, open up your Safari or any browser you have, type in enable subscription on Instagram, and tap in the search that has the URL of help.instagram.com. So tap on that, and once you tap on it, it will show that it is not yet available in your region, so you can't do anything about that, but just to wait when it is already available on your location. And you can just read through this article and follow the steps to set up the subscriptions on your Instagram account. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.